In this video, I'm going to show you how to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. So once you open your Roblox, at the bottom right, you will see the three dots. Just click that one and then scroll down and go to your settings. So in here, let's check our account first. So in your account info, make sure that you are at least 13 years old. So sometimes to be able to verify your age, you will be needed to upload a valid ID. So once you verified your age, you need to verify also your email address or verified your phone mobile number. So just follow the requirements in there or instructions, and you just have to fill in all the requirements to be able to be verified. So once you're all set in your account info, let's go back to the settings and then select privacy. So in here, you just have to scroll down until you will see the microphone and camera input. So it says here that green dot indicates that Roblox is using your camera and red dots indicates that Roblox is recording audio. So as you can see, I will show you how to enable this one. See, it is already enabled, but to do this, you just have to toggle this one and then click on enable. And that's how to get voice chat on Roblox mobile. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.